Once again, welcome all of you. Today, we in this session we discuss about the further next step working with the packet tracer and more practical aspect. Uh, just without delay, now starting session. Last session we discussed how to selected devices and related to the LAN cable. So hopefully ki, all are able to selection of the devices and making such a diagram on your laptop, either PC. Okay. If any doubt, you can again ask me regarding selection of the devices and the connection of this cable. Uh, you are also able to share your computer laptop screen and discuss here, no problem. Okay. So when if you are feeling there are not how to select the devices, connection of this cable, so you can anytime uh, stop me and share on a screen and discuss with me, no problem. Okay. So last again I repeat, last time we discussed different types of the cable. So there are we discussed three types of line cable. One line cable is the crossover line cable, and another is the straight, and one more line cable. This is three different name due to the connector. If both in the connector is RJ45 type, so that is the rollover connector, otherwise BGA cable, and one more name is the uh, console cable. Okay, but these cable not used for the communication. These cable are used for the login purpose, configuration purpose. If any doubt, again repeat. You can see the last class. Okay, and okay. Uh, in the last session, we conclusion ki which types of cable were used. Uh, Crossover and straight cable. These two cable are used for the communication. Very clear mention if both devices, router to router, switch to switch, similar devices. In this case, with the crossover cable. So you can all see here. This is the crossover cable. So we connected from router to router, switch to switch, crossover cable, and remaining all are the straight cable. Okay. So if I today two cable is the pending here, so I again go to the in the cable option and switch to the computer straight cable because both are the different devices. I just click on the switch. In the switch, a lot of port to don't confuse. You can put any port. You are there no boundary. Keep in the mind by default R switch you can put any port, no problem, but uh, one special types of configuration that is the known as the VLAN, virtual local area network. Yeah, you can in your local manner VPN also, virtual private network. That time we can think which port we can use for the communication. But in the normal case, any types of case, you put any port, there is no any problem, no any bar. So I just take 03 this connected to this computer, again one cable, and in my computer this is the fast ethernet port. What is the fast ethernet port in the computer? All are very well aware. You can say simply I write here port. So this is the port is the fast ethernet port. Okay, same types of the port you can say, you can see also in the switches. Okay, so this is one type switch is there, so you can put like here any port, no problem. So I come back again. One is a more laptop is also. So laptop may be connected via cable also, and sometimes laptop Wi-Fi also. Okay. So I just try to connect this laptop to the Wi-Fi. So how to connect this laptop through Wi-Fi? Just click on the router as a laptop because it laptop is not Wi-Fi. So first we make Wi-Fi. How to make? I just how to make this laptop Wi-Fi? This is the power button. I just press, and this is the LAN port. This is just hold on and put the blank area. This area. This is area remove, and this is the just the WPC the first. Just this is a new module, no? Different module. So I just click WPC first. This is the Wi-Fi. First take and move here, and again power on. So now my in this case my this laptop become Wi-Fi. Okay. So now I want to connect my laptop through Wi-Fi, this Wi-Fi network. So how to connect it? Just click on the router, go to the desktop, and go to the wireless option. Where is the PC wireless? And here connect option. This Wi-Fi signal will be showing here now. LTTC, a very strong signal. I want to connect this Wi-Fi. So definitely this want password. So what password my this Wi-Fi? First we can see here ABCD. Okay. So I just click on this password, put here ABCDE 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Now connect. So this laptop is connected to the Wi-Fi. Okay. So connection is very easy. One very important question. Normally, when we go, you are all going for any competition, yeah, any job interview, yeah, any other posting. So in this case, I ask first, then give the answer. I just select one computer. Now I want to connect router to computer for communication purpose. Again, I repeat, I want to connect router to computer directly via for purpose communication purpose. So definitely we have two types of cable, straight cable and crossover cable. So my question is that in this case, which types of cable required? Please give the answer in the chat box. Omkar, you write straight cable. Remaining participant, please. Sanjana, which types of cable? Omkar, why? Saurabh, you also write straight cable. Why you are all writing straight cable? Because both are the different devices. Already, very first day, I just one very important terminology for the router. Okay, again, Omkar, repeat. Kindly recall my one very important point. Very before starting the router, what is the second name of the router? Router is also known as mini supercomputer. Am I right? Yes or no? Already this word repeat many times. Router is a very big device. It is also known as the mini supercomputer. You can say that this is also computer. So now router to computer, both are the same devices. Why this question is important? Because in ordinary time, normal there you can say different device, but technically and every manner both are the same devices. Okay. So if you are connect to the router to computer, because both are the same devices, definitely crossover cable. So I put here only computer for the I know ki maximum time LTTC also organized 4 year back one interview. BBNL company. This is the part of the BSNL earlier, Bharat Broadband Network Limited. So a lot of students through the gate selected for this company, BBNL, Bharat Broadband Network Limited. You go to the search in Google, very popular company, optical fiber network. Okay. So all there are 160 JTO is selected, engineers selected for this organization through the gate. And luckily I am also during interview I am that one part of interview panel. So I just simply ask this question many times, or you are surprising only 5 people of out of 20 able to give this answer of this question. And same time I confirm all these 5 students you are your job is confirmed, because you are directly the basic answer very clear given all of you. Doesn't matter what is your percentile. Okay. So this is the crossover cable. I just take it. Now only one port in the computer, fast it can connect to it. Okay. So now this is the connections of the devices. Already discussion in last session, and today some more add on. And now my next question. Uh, One more discussion already done. What is the meaning of the LAN? Already described. So meaning of the LAN in the practical manner. Uh, Again, I repeat and then ask the question. In the last one, I think the second last or last, as per previous session, you can go to the and listen my discussion. So during discussion and my session, I just one very important information share all of you. We, Meaning of types of area network. So in the practical field, in the today's scenario, only two types of area network is available. One is the LAN, another is the WAN. Remaining all types of area network, either you can say PAN, CAN, SAN, MAN. This is only for the book purpose and Google search for exam purpose. That's okay. But practically, these are all not available in the today. Okay. So you have only two types of LAN, two types of area network. One is the LAN, another is the MAN, local area network, and wide area network. Sorry, WAN. LAN means router one port is known as one LAN. Router one port is known as one LAN, and different LAN is known as WAN. Okay. If same router you have two different port, they are two different LAN. Okay. So follow my this information. Now please give the answer in your in this network, in this project. How many number of LAN, how many LAN in this my network? 2, 3, 4, 1 LAN. Please give the answer in the chat box. Omkar, Saurabh, Anjana. Are you able to getting my point? Router one port is one LAN. So just keep in this my point and just tell me how many LAN. This is your college campus. It may be. You can say how many LAN. College. Okay. Okay. I think there are some confusion. So not giving the answer able to just one. This is a router one port. So this is the one LAN. This is a LAN number one. By default, you can say this is a practical answer, but for the book another location, you can say this is the network one. This is another, this is the LAN two. This is a network number two. And by default, one port, this is another LAN and this is another LAN. But both line is the same wire. So you can say combinedly, this is the network number three. So in this my network, we have three types of network, three types of LAN. Again, I repeat, router one port, one network, router another port, another network. This is a combinedly three network. In my this network, in my this project, we have three types of LAN. Okay. So now clean screen again. Repeat. Okay. So for the learning purpose, uh, if area, how to identify particular area? Area is identified if here network ID. So just for the learning purpose, I select some network ID every LAN. So here the network, I just write network one, and ID of this network is the suppose I take 192.168.1.0/24. Already during IP class of IP address discussion about this, what is the network ID, the first IP address, and this is the help of this network ID, we can easily identify how many number of IP possible, number of network possible. So this is the area is known as the network one, and same manner, I just take this is a network two, and I take here the every network is never two network is the same ID. Another, and I just take one more. This is a network three, and this is a 3.0. Okay. Now This is a 1.0/24. Okay. So how many IP possible? So /24 already discussion during the IP class. From left hand side to right hand side, 24 bits are the fixed. So remaining bits related to the host bit. So that means 2 की power है 254 number of customer IP possible. So IP range you can write here as per already aware about 192.168.1.1 to 254. Okay, am I right? So you can say ki in my this campus, this is a college campus, how many computer, laptop, um, desktop computer for internet purpose connect? 254. If you want more than 254 connection, so there some other mechanism is required. But by default in my this network, very simply, if you have one network ID like 192.168.1.0, that means ki in my this network you can connect 254 number of different smart devices. Okay, and the same manner here is a same range 2.1 to 254, here 3.1 to 254. Okay, so this now IP address where allotted in your computer, desktop, any location. This is allotted this particular number of port. This port is the FA0/1. If anybody asks to you in computer which location IP address allotted, yeah, in my mobile phone where IP is allotted. So very simple answer. This is a very important question for all of you. IP address where allotted in your devices. So if you are connected through the Wi-Fi, so IP address allotted to the Wi-Fi. Okay. If you are connected to the Bluetooth, so IP address is allotted to the Bluetooth. In the if you are connected to the this LAN port, so IP address is allotted to the this LAN port. So IP address which device allotted, I think all are now clear. Where this where you want to connect internet to outside the world, that location is known as IP address. And if you are searching MAC ID basically if you are a student of electronics, every devices in the world electronics either devices that is must mandatory to the MAC ID. Yeah, in the local language you can say ki, if you are purchasing any mobile phone, so definitely IMI number is the mandatory number. IMI basically like a MAC ID. Okay. So without MAC ID, any electronic devices is not valid. Okay. So this is the Wi-Fi. So MAC ID, if you are anybody some fraud, yeah, some if you are want to keep my internet is uh, IP address is showing. So what is the my MAC ID? So MAC ID you can physically address. Okay. So so this port IP address LAN port, not computer IP, it LAN port. So fraud is very dangerous today because it not so ki IP address you find out and easily ki know ki ha, this IP address done by this laptop. It may be some other LAN devices possible. Okay. Again, I repeat, IP address, which location allotted, this IP, any IP address, if connect to internet, it allotted either if you are connected to the Wi-Fi, so Wi-Fi, if you are connected to the Bluetooth, Bluetooth, if you are connected to the LAN port, so LAN IP. Okay. Now come back again here. Yeah. So here port number F01. So if IP address, so these all computer communication, the what is the first ABCD of any communication without IP address, two devices never communicate. Okay, so this is IP address. So first IP address 0/1. This is the 192.168. This is the 1.1 IP address allot here. This IP allotted to PC0 192.168. I just write here. Then how to allot it we discuss tomorrow. That is the 1.2 because already one is given to the FA0/1. So you not this IP address for this port and this IP address for this PC. Remaining are also same manner you can allot, but you don't just with for learning purpose. I just take two and now save this project. You also, if doing with me, must be safe. And same manner, we discuss about this port. So as per our planning, IP address for this port FA0/1 for the network 2, 192.168.2.1/24. I just take here, and for PC3 IP address here 192.168.2.34567 up to 254. No? So you are free. You can take any IP, no problem. I just take two again here. Now this port and this port. So I planning. This is a 3.0 network. So FA0/0 for the router 1, sorry, router 0, LTTC router 192.168. This is 3.1/24. Keep habit without IP address is a subnet not defined clearly. This is a network 4. 192.168 data 3.2, okay, /24. So this is allotment of IP outsiding. How? This is a planning. As engineering, as engineer, if you are going to design any network for your any campus, this is very important because upcoming time, in the current time, where is the job? Question arise in everyone, where we are getting easily job in today time. So current time, if you are complete your degree and go to the market, so one area is a very common area, a very easily and very good package you getting the job. This is the, if you go any big hotels, any big hospitals, okay. So in hospitals, hotels, a lot of rooms, a lot of customer visit day by day. So suppose you are go for the internet in charge in the 3-star hotel, very good package in the 3-star hotel. Their network engineer in the 3-star hotel, at least monthly salary package is starting for the fresher 1 lakh rupees onward. So this is one very good package. And suppose and in the hotel, definitely 3-star, 5-star. So your location is also very good. So what is the job responsibility in hotel? Anybody come visit in the your hotel, come in the hotel's room. So in the room there is a telephone system and Wi-Fi internet services. So how to this manage? So this is during this project, this training, it is easily learned for all of you. So this concept, not only the campus, this concept is applicable. We practical session we now starting from study to onward. So this is helpful. Hotels, hospital, campus, every location, and very good job. Even you go in the Britain and uh, in India also very a lot of tourism places. So very good package and very good location for the job. If you are going working with BSNL, either Reliance, so this is not easy. Package is not very good, and job is also not easy. But if you are same go for the any hotels rooms, either hospital, you know, now very in the today time, every big hospital, every room, every doctor, operation theater, location, Wi-Fi, internet is very mandatory. So that is very good location. Okay, good opportunity. But hospital may be some critical, but hotel is a very good location. Na? In hotel, art, AC hotel rooms, AC location. You are just go to the manager, internet manager, and every customer visit hotel. So you just maintain operation and maintain internet. How to? So help of this, you can make it. Okay. Okay. So again, I repeat, conclude today. Tomorrow, if you, now operational configuration start from command base tomorrow and onward. And at least 3 or 4 session maximum, then basic idea completed, and then specialization will be start. And I request to all of you join all class, and I not take too much long class. Today's session conclusion is very simple. We just add on the last session, see how cable specification, and what is the meaning of the LAN in the practical, and if I want to configuration of the our campus any network. So first starting by the IP address. Q report part of IP address already we discussed. Now in the today we just discussed there are 3 types of LAN possible. So I just take 3 LAN, and according to the LAN, I just making the planning router port LTTC, this router port IP, and this is okay. Okay. So uh, allotment of IP also just now here. How to allotment IP of this PC? I take one more PC. No? One more interesting thing for all of you before ending this session. I just connect one more computer. Okay. And I just take one more IP. Here IP is the 1.3. No? Okay. I just connect from this IP. Okay. So I just now, before ending today's session, allotment of this computer manually, how to allot IP. So just click on this computer, go to the config, sorry, the desktop, and IP config. I planning IP address 192. So I just here write 192.168.1.2. Subnet mask /24. Without subnet mask, computer not able to understand how many bits are the fixed. Yeah, you can say network bit. So 24 left hand side to right hand side, 24 bits are one. Already calculation done in the IP session. So just 255, okay, by default. And gateway. What is the meaning of the gateway? This all computer, if I want to communicate from this PC 0 to this PC 3, so how to my movement? So my any data might just move my computer to the switch to the router, one router to the another router, and this another router, and again come back and here. Okay, so this is the basically path. So my this computer, either this computer, any computer, if you want to communicate outside the campus, basically this is the campus. If I want to communicate outside the campus, in your college campus, if every student connected to the Wi-Fi, so doesn't matter if college Wi-Fi connected, so every student must be one location where go outside. So this location in my network is this location is the this port, this computer, this port, this port, this port. So basically that location which my computer go outside, this is known as the gateway. Gateway is network, gateway is nothing. This is a just in exit or entry location. So my campus, which location? This is the this point. So this is the gateway. So definitely in computer, I click here. So one is the gateway line is also mentioned. Otherwise, in all computer are confused where we go outside, which location go outside. For example, if I put one ribbon in your eyes and close your eyes and just put your college campus, you don't know where entry and exit gate, so you are confused. But if entry or exit gate clear mention it is entry gate and is exit gate, and you are aware about it, so easily you can go out and inside. Okay, so now here 192.168.1.1, this is the port already planning IP address this port. So that means the gateway of the this port is this. Okay, same manner PC4, I planning for the PC4 IP address 192.168.1.3. subnet by default. Gateway for the all computer laptop is the same port, router port. Okay, now my this computer, both computer now have IP. Okay, very first day, my basic question for all of you, very first day, one very interesting question I asked very first day. What is the meaning of intelligent and normal fan? Okay, so meaning of intelligent, very clear span. Intelligent means ki it has sense and memory. That device is known as intelligent. Okay, this location is the switch. So switch in old time before 10 year back, hub is a very important device. One more device, hub. This is hub. This is hub. Earlier in the switch, earlier before old time or before 10 year back, if you go, so hub is very popular devices. Why? Because hub price is very low price, 1,500, 700. But that time my switch price is 20,000, 50,000, 1 lakh, very costly 10 year back. And today switch cost is just reduces cost of host, hub, same cost. So hub important is over, because hub is non-intelligent device, switch is intelligent device. Again I repeat, why switch cost is very high? Because switch is intelligent device, and if that means switch have sense and memory. Okay, and hub is no memory, only sense. Okay, so hub is non-intelligent device. Before I explaining more here, in the classroom, suppose Omkar, in your classroom there are 24 students in your classroom. I am as a faculty member join your college and come to in your classroom. So before first time I come in your classroom, before going to classroom, your college director meet me and just inform to me one letter, this letter related to the Mr. Omkar. You are going to the this classroom, so please put this letter to Mr. Omkar. Okay. So first time I don't know who is the Mr. Omkar, and Omkar you are also don't know who I am. Just I come in the classroom. What I do? Generally my message broadcasting, Omkar, Omkar. Generally announce, loud announce, listening everyone. But who is responding? Only Omkar. So I know you are Omkar. So I just go to Omkar, this letter given by the your director. Please put it. Okay. I am human man. I have sense and memory. Okay. So first time I don't know. Okay, don't know. But I announce it. I very easily identify who is Omkar. Omkar, this letter given to you. And I am human. I am intelligent. So I memorize who is Omkar. After few days, same uh, event repeat. Again, director give one letter. Please, this letter again come for the Mr. Omkar. Go in the classroom and please hand over to Mr. Omkar. I again come back in classroom, but now this time because I am intelligent, I keep memory who is Omkar. So in second time, I don't any announcement. I just directly go to the Mr. Omkar. Omkar, this is the letter and hand over. So in this second time, remaining nobody, maybe no, maybe not no. Okay. So this is the functionality for intelligence. So same manner earlier as the hub have either speech. If I go for the first time communication, either hub I have switch, because in same place you can also use the hub. A hub is non-intelligent and switch intelligent, but first time behavior of the both are the same. Now you can see I sending packet PC0 to PC4 first time. What happened? You can see here. Okay. Again, I repeat, then you can easily. Okay. Now, uh, first time I want to communicate from PC0 to PC4, doesn't matter. Here is the hub either speech. So now you are see what is functionality, what movement. Just I take packet from PC0 to PC4. Okay. And now we see here. Yeah. Packet go to the speech. Speech don't know this packet where go. He sending this packet different. Okay, already one communication done. Delete now. I take another computer because already PC0 and PC they may be good friend, na? Because the device is very now disconnect this switch. I take IP. So again put IP here 192.168.1.3, 192.168.1.1 is the gateway, right? Now this just I waiting for the green this port, otherwise this. Now I try again. I take packet from PC0 to PC5. First time movement. Now I check. Sorry. Reverse. Why reverse? Okay. Again wrong. Okay. First time movement. Because my switch don't know this PC where going, so he's sending to the router another switch also. Okay. Every location can send. This is red. Why red now? Just wait, then green, then become working. Otherwise, actually, first time I'm sending this packet, so speech is unaware the packet for which delivery. So okay, the which destination. So in this case, this speech by default, like example, I'm classroom, is sending packet messaging broadcast to everyone. Okay, all are deny. Only right person may respond. So he come back again, ask the computer, and this computer confirm yes, this person is the right person. So he send back and message hand over to this and return back. Acknowledge. Okay, so then communication will be completed in the first time. Wait, why wait? Another port, 8 number port. Again, take packet from this PC to this PC. I want to send from this PC to this PC. Okay, just wait now. And captures green, then orange. I'm just waiting. Then after some time, because take some switch uh, responding take time. Just waiting now. Then we can check. Now play address allotment. Okay, first we now check here. Because this is a red, so he not sending here, but remaining participant will be share. Okay, so if not find, this will be fail. Not finding any location, so all first time don't know which is the main destination, so he's sending everyone deny, and now the communication is the fail. Here I think in my software there is some problem. I save now. Close. Again open that. I open sample. where is the saving on desktop? Your batch says 31st. No? Yes, this is the batch. Now just wait and then we can let's see how to this. And then session is over. Just waiting now. Hopefully this now become. All become green. Okay, now this is the green. No? This time okay. Okay, now again check here. I sending packet from PC0 to PC5. If not memorized first time, so now you can see. First time if not memorized, so is sending every location. I think all location. First time not aware. All are denied, and this is okay. And is send back. All are denied. Crossing. And ask to PC0. This PC5 is accepted. This again okay. This okay. Now sending over. This is right answer and hand over to here. An acknowledgement sent back and okay. So because switch is either hub, first time communication is very similar manner. Okay. Now this is the successful. Okay. Now clean. Now one times communication already done. So this is the switch. Switch is intelligent device. That means memorize. So if I try second time, then what happen? Second time not need to send here, switch not send any other location, directly sending to the PC5, hand over the message and acknowledge, generate and send back. And send back. And this is successful. But if hub is here, so how this process repeat and repeat successful. So same manner, hub why slow? Because every time he asks who is the Mr. Omkar, who is the Mr. Omkar. Okay, and security is not due to the secure not, but in the case of the switch, it may be fast and it may be secure. Okay, so again, we see you tomorrow. Today's session is over. If any doubt, so again discuss tomorrow. Thank you.